heroin and LiQWYD stuff. Yeah. No, my dad Jamaica put in the hard work. I'm going to go to the something. Clap the queen, please. Don't clap me. Yeah? Clap me, please. All of my true royal liar crazy them. Please clap me. Clap. Queen. Clap. Queen. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Queen, I got good now. May I go out with myself, you know? No, I'm not like I'm proud of myself. I'm not come to about, she need performance. I don't need to be on the stage. And that's a fact. Accept the queen for what it is. The fact is, my come out, come put on that hard work. I leave my head at hurt, I still come out. What not tell me about, my other book, I don't want to book me. Because who out there want to book me? I'm loved by the world. The people them love me here, and I can tell the people them, hey, come here. So nobody never tell me about the girl was said all the big artists them sing out the whole of them it's and a Queenie come save the night. I have Queenie artists. You know, she the young little girl contradict herself. She have done me, you know, but at the same time, she I say a Queenie, and I'm like, and I tell the people them what they must be entertained. You cannot control people, darling, dear. So you sound pathetic. As a young girl, you dip your mouth in when it belongs to you, but I'm not going to cuss your baby girl. Choose your words wisely. You see me, Queenie? That thing when I step on this way around bang, you not turn it in a ticket. Because you don't know what it means. So when the tongue twists up, and the pronunciation do not come out properly, you lot are there to correct me because you lot are my right. This from Kunamuna. Who are you? Where did you come from, darling? You need to come wash my cracky heel back the Jamaican cracker. But I look for a while I got two blood. And I said, from a little bit, I used to have cracky heel back. That's the way I run around my heel back. Girl, little girl, you need to come wash my heel back. And when you're done with the cracky heel back, you drink it. You don't know what time it is. It's not an old broom, so you don't know the creases. You come and call my name, I come underestimate big blood. Song, who you girl? And 19 songs I have from my Fever were released. And I have 5 other songs on YouTube. And 20 other songs I have, little girl. You still. I don't take up your time, but I have to touch. You don't know if you take the towel, the rag, and put by your little finger and push it in your curl them in there and encourage them. You come talk about it, Queenie artist. Said me never artist. How am I going to save Dream Weekend? Eh? Go and watch back your post and all the cloud attention. I rang blood because I seek my own blood attention. Me not get up and trouble people forget attention. If me and my husband are blood, I feel for talk, my husband. Me not come over here, come trouble people. Me not take up nobody for internet problem. I never see nobody for internet problem. I'm take it up yet. So the make posts so just thinking. Little girl, you know the little man in the boat? That little pussy your being. And when you say big man a perform and a entertain the girl, I appreciate the youngest of calm down, Queen. It's just a commercial. Good day, thank you.
Somebody can tell me what really are going on in the entertainment these days because I'm not on this scene. But what I see tonight was embarrassing. Me embarrassing artists them. Mean say you have Steph London, you have Ding Dong, you did have one ex-artist, I don't know what them name. And I mean say the people that come out and them do them thing. I nah like them do them thing. And the people them stand up. You know who come out, come give them a forward? Queenie. What? Queenie artist when like no me understand why you have shows about Queenie or something because Jamaican I listen to pure foolishness. Like no, I don't understand. More than vex. If I'm an artist, more than vex. What I mean, so the people them stand up, you know, the people them have beat out them hits or something, you know, and the people them stand up, you know. And now movie them just look uninterested. And when Queenie come out with her whatever she went in there, say everybody start real. Me like, what? No, brother. This don't look good. This don't look good at all. Look like everybody forget what entertainment really is. This me no know. It don't look good.
It's not how money comes, where the money is, whatsoever. They think it's a joke thing. The reason you move to him for the simple fact is for the principle, you know that. Don't tell me something and then you're gonna try to fly to the country and don't pay me my money. You're taking my food.
Something happen. Hey, Marsh, you know man always contest me. Let me tell you something. May I come from the
state? Tell me that I see it already.
You remember me I come from Jamaica and reach an airport to a man out them say my teacher. And him left stranded, nobody not comfy. I say, alright, me take a cab. Him not have no money. I say, me take a cab. For me and you pay the fare. In the Liverpool Leighton. I don't know if you remember much, but listen. When the 160, the man forgive me £80 half of the 160. I call the man, suck your mother. No girl, I would have tell suck the mother and stop talk. I go and go over your son. When we go up at the shop to get the money from the man and call the man, the big teacher man mash.
Yeah, but that's all. I'm like,
the phone and stop confused me and I make me take it out for you, please, mash. I love you, don't do me that, mash. Thank you. So the teacher man, remember pay £80 for him and tell me I'm going to pay my weekend. And when weekend come, I call the man rude to me, the teacher, you know. And mash, I want girl when they had the hairdresser shop when they pay me about me £80, but I just assure you. Man always texted for me. The security man spit for me. That's call my crashes. Man always contest me. You see, any day me take one of them and push them head in my them will know who them because them feel like none of them can kick me up and anger me. I'm rough, tough, but the awful because my father go me rough.
Yeah, your father go rough, yeah. How much y'all can say 5 kids from one baby father? So don't come and tell me man rough you up. Yeah, man, them kids and them things. You just know that, you know that. Just don't come and bad up.
Step up and trying to see me on internet and long on my caterpillar. None of blood can abuse me. Man, woman, or child, if I pick this moment, this back them blood. And now sometimes I want to it. See the pity them choose, me not choose nothing. If I pick them for choose word on me. How the fuck if I will lower my speech because I pick it. And I end up picking this, me this them back. When I come tell me, no, I'm trying to disrespect me. Anger me and talk some blood. So if I take it up on the wrong man, I feel it. I'm a blood clot. Master,
I'll find out.
I work hard.
No, Tyrone, you know that I live out by some of your tape. Yeah.
Tyrone, bless you.
You must go down to Jamaica soon, you know that.
I'm not down here, man. You understand?
No, peep and see. I can see the picture them and just roll out on them things.
No, mash. Tyrone, bless up, mash. Go on, mash. I'm faint and talk my mind, you know, listen to me.
Lady, come. I'm listening to you. You just listen to the background. Ask a question. I gave you the answer. So how the hell are you gonna put me out now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright then. I'm going sauna anyway.
Alright, mash. Bye now. Love you, mash. Later.
Love you too, Jay. Bye-bye.
Heal up Tyrone. Bless up Tyrone.
Yeah. Respect.
Yeah. I'm a